How to turn on or turn off Samsung send diagnostic data on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on security and privacy. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on more privacy settings. Now in here, tap on send diagnostics data. Tap on the toggle button, then tap on I agree and tap on OK. If you don't want to send your data to Samsung, then you can tap on the toggle button to switch it off, then deselect I agree and then tap on OK. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.